At Interagro, we continuously strive to develop new technologies to help growers. Over the last 4 years, we've been working closely with Dr Steve Rossall at the University of Nottingham to test new biostimulant actives and develop existing products to prove the benefits of these technologies in different crops, and more importantly, under a wide range of conditions.
Well, one of the simple things we can do is to measure the effect of biostimulants on plant root and shoot development. And any of you who've ever tried it will know that recovering roots from soil is difficult. So we'll recover roots from a substrate called hydrolica. It's a porous expanded clay pelleted material. And by doing that, we can recover the roots at intervals after application or intervals after sowing this treated seed and measure the root biomass. We simply recover the roots, wash them, pat them dry, oven dry them at 70 degrees and measure the dry weight. But with a simple substrate like hydrolica, we can very easily do a well-replicated multi-treatment experiment.
The growers that are using our biostimulant seed treatment are benefiting from being able to establish crops faster, with a greater root system to be able to maximise nutrients throughout the season. Steve's work has proven that we see similar benefits to rooting and shooting from an application of our foliar biostimulants before tillering. More rooting helps a plant to scavenge for available nutrients, which is particularly useful when taking into account the cost of fertiliser and challenging weather patterns.
The topic that's very trendy at the moment is nitrogen use efficiency. In relation to things like global environmental change, we're trying to reduce nitrogen contamination of the atmosphere, nitrogen oxides, and the effective use of nitrogen by crops is a very topical area. And what we've found is that by using an effective biostimulant, we can get better resource use efficiency, better nitrogen use efficiency, which will have a benefit for all of mankind, as well as keeping the crop production costs down, reducing environmental contamination. But perhaps a more elegant way, which Interagro have been exploring, is the use of biostimulants as seed treatments, whereby we can simply apply the product before drilling occurs and get an effect on early establishment. Now this can be very critical if your crop emerges, then you're hit by a period of drought. What you need for the crop to survive and become well established in these early developmental stages is a well established root system, and either application of an effective seed treatment or an early application, perhaps with the autumn herbicide, can achieve these targets.
We have always taken pride in working alongside universities and research institutes to deliver independent, science-based results, which gives customers continued confidence to recommend Interagro products on farm.